Yes. You gotta get that start.
I called start.
Yes, start. Can't believe I'm riding in the Mustang. Ready.
Alright.
Yeah, we're ready. Let's do this. Oh, here comes 6 Casen. Oh, Casen, that was awesome.
I have a bump shifter here.
Bomb shifter,
So,
yeah.
I just bump it and it'll go like different.
A go
gears.
sift. That's a nice manual sifter. Yeah, so this thing, I guess it does automatic and manual.
There's no clutch, but it's still like, it's like 1, 2, 3, and then it goes into drive.
I see. So is this technically like a modified manual transmission?
Yeah.
Oh. I think we're blasting Tyler in the dust. Alright, so Casen, tell a little bit about your viewers about the Mustang.
It's 2006 V8. I got it cheap because it was wrecked.
It was like you bought the salvage and repaired it. Oh, jeez.
Whoa!
Yeah, you gotta watch out for those people smoking on drugs.
When it's wet, I could really spin them.
Oh yeah. So, like when you bought this Mustang Salvage at 6K, I think I heard you bought it like from a friend.
Yeah, it was my dad's friend.
It was your dad's friend, yeah. And what did you do to get this thing in the perfect, flawless shape? Like,
My dad's friend did it. When me and my dad got it, it was already good.
oh,
Like,
okay.
my dad's friend did like all the repairing and stuff.
I see. So your friend repaired it, you got it new, then you put a lot of modifications on it. Yeah. So tell the viewers, what exact modifications did you put on this bad boy Mustang?
I have flowmaster exhaust. I got the windows tinted. The louvers there on the side. The side
louvers.
windows.
Yeah.
I got new headlights, new tail lights. That's about it.
I see. And you got those blacked out wheels too.
Oh yeah, I got the wheels for it too.
Yeah. Well, those are some gnarly modifications over there. Of course, we definitely know that you got the flowmaster exhaust and modified taillights.
Yeah, the tail lights are my favorite.
Oh yeah, they look like those 2013-14 Mustang taillights. But like you get that vibe on the 05, the 09 Mustang, particularly this for an 06, but yeah.
gonna get your permit soon?
Yeah.
That's good.
You know, I have that permit soon. So the rough texture that you have like on the door, is that like all part of the Mustang?
No, that's not supposed to be there. Like there's supposed to be like black panels here, but they fall off easy. I guess they're not made good.
I
got red ones, and I'm gonna put them on soon.
I see.
Like red leather, like they were.
Red leather. Oh, that'll be nice. Yeah. I'm gonna get some pictures of that in the future. Oh yeah.
I don't even know what
a Kia Stinger.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. I haven't really been seeing much sports cars from Kia, but that one, like, you know, like when it comes to like the sports cars, they really done top there.
It's quick. It's not like
yeah.
a GT350s or anything.
Oh yeah, no, it's like
off the start,
GT500, but yeah. Do you have like an estimate of how much horsepower this thing has?
Stock, I think it's like 340. This car right here is probably might be over a little over 350.
Yeah, that's good. Now, I guess that's so good to know. I guess it kind of depends on the trim too, because I thought like the Mustangs were more like 265 or something, but maybe for this trim it's like more like 340.
Well, the guy that does the Mustangs that my dad got it off, he has like 3 of them, and he has all 3 supercharged, and he has like a race one that's just for like racing. Like it's a green one and has a parachute on the back of it. So like there's no bump or anything, it's just like a race car.
Oh, nice. So they did like some, of course, like they put that green parachute and then like they put some modifications on, like, and then test on the
He has like a $110,000 GT500 2020.
Oh geez, well, yeah, that's nice. Well, you must have done like some trading off there, but I gotta say, this gnarly Mustang came from production. He really did a good job with this. They of course did some more work, but we still got that full lane to ourselves. At least there's not like a lot of traffic on the other side. Oh. Red light. That's okay, we'll meet them there. We're still with Novak. Oh, he's way behind. Well, that's alright. Maybe they'll probably pull over or wait for us, or just like meet them there. Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
Right there. Hey, tell us a little bit about your ducky there with those seats.
I got it from Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks nice. go past Potter. Or he's just on the left lane. I think we need a... Yeah, I think he's trying to pass us in the right lane. Go past us, Potter. Oh my god, that's some nice footage there. Yeah, I think I just thought my dad's behind us and Gavin's passing him. Yeah. There he comes. Of course my dad's joining convoy in the Sorrento. That thing's got 290 horsepower on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got for stock. Kia is really focusing in there on that power.
I think we lost Novak.
Yeah, I don't know, he's far behind us. Hope he has the GPS. Probably has his GPS on or something. Yeah. We got some epic content coming. Now I got the BMWs.
That's cool.
F-150. Too bad that isn't Nick though.
Nice day.
It's a beautiful day. Perfect weather for that Corso and a Mustang ride.
We could just park them outside your house and you can just take a picture of all of them.
Yeah, we could just like park all the cars in front of my dad's house. Like if I can make an arrangement too. I think the Mustangs should go in the front. I just feel like I can't be complete without that. Definitely tell that Ford did a great job with the embroidery on these seats.
Yeah, these are the original seats.
They're what?
So these are original seats and they're still in like good condition.
Oh yeah. The owners definitely did a good job with this. I think when I get my Mustang, I like to have like these leather seats in there too. They're nice. Plus they're comfy as well. Making right. Who would leave his door open and then just run out? It's not like abandoning your truck there. Just gonna listen to the exhaust. turn the hair on. The handle.
Turn here?
Yeah, you turn here over where Serenity Gardens is. Oh, Kodak, you missed the turn. Oh well. I'll go there. And then you want to make a right on the yeah, Montana Drive.
That's really nice.
Oh yeah, it's a very nice development. Beautiful up there. And it's also convenient for me to go work my dad's house. But yeah, that house right there. Yeah, that brick house over there.
Oh,
at
right after.
Yeah, after walkie driveway, just like park like by a mailbox. Yeah.
Okay.
And we have arrived.
There's Kodak too.
Oh yeah, he's coming from the other side. Found his way. I guess he's back in, so he can like park behind us or somewhere. But yeah, thank you so much for a ride, Casen. Yeah, I always wanted to ride in this, and now it just happens like right on my birthday, got the opportunity. Awesome.
Here, I'll get your, you can get your thing out.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah, I washed it and it rained and now it got all.
Yeah, that's all right. The experience is what counts.